Hello, what's up, people? Welcome back again. Today I'm doing a video on Snapchat because Snapchat has become really popular since maintaining all the tricks and filters and stuff. So I am back again on tutorial about how you can form a group which can comprise up to hundreds of your friends. So let's get started by opening this particular application right here. As you can see on the bottom part, there is a chat box on your left side. So let's move on with clicking that icon. Again, press the same blue icon on your right side. There you can see your Snapchat friend list. You want to tap the Bitmoji of certain person you want to have a group conversation with. Or maybe you can just type in their name and add them real quick. Let me show you how it is done. After you are, almost done with choosing your people for a group, you might want to click the option of chat with group. And there you go. Now there are altogether 3 people in this group, including yourself. Also, you can name the group whatever you want. So I'm just gonna name sisters for now. And that's it. This is how you create a group in Snapchat. So thank you guys, thank you for staying till the end, and please keep supporting our channel for useful video like this. See ya.